How to delete my AI on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can delete my AI on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete my AI on Snapchat, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Snapchat application, and then you're gonna see this type of interface where what you need to do is just tap your Bitmoji avatar from the top left of the screen, and then over here you'll find this option called Snapchat Plus. So in order to be able to delete my AI, you need to have Snapchat Plus. You can either choose to unpin my AI from your chat feed, or what you can do is if I just come here, you can see my AI, you can long press on it, you can go to chat settings, and here you will find clear from chat feed. When you tap on the clear from chat feed option, the my AI is going to get removed from your chat feed on Snapchat. This way you'll be able to delete my AI on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.